Air filter PSA. How is this still happening? It's 2025. People still can't figure it out. Look, we're talking air filters. This isn't rocket appliances. I don't know why it's still a big issue, but we still can't seem to get people on board with doing them, maintaining them. I don't know which one it is, but people aren't doing it correctly. Let's walk around a little bit. So this YZ450 behind me, it's a 2020, and it's got all kinds of dirt in the intake. So obviously they've done some air filter maintenance, but not good air filter maintenance. Can we see in here? Look at that. That's dirt. That's no good. The air filter's dry. How are we still putting dry air filters in dirt bikes? CRF 70, dusted engine, dry air filter. TTR 230, a little bit different. Air filter was oiled, but the foam was ripped off the cage. Now it didn't wipe the engine out, but it was going to. Because on a TTR where you slide the air filter in, there's a bit of foam. So that air filter cage was just rattling around in there, letting dirt go around it. How are we still if you have a bike, just do your air filter properly. You could read it in the manual, but no one knows how to read anymore. So maybe you'll watch this video and be like, oh, I didn't know about my air filter. I should probably check my air filter. Yes, check your air filter. When do you need to clean your air filter? When it's dirty. When is it going to dirty? I don't know. If you're riding a lot of dust, it'll get dirty real quick, like in 20 minutes. If you ride by yourself and it's wet or something and there's no dust, your air filter will last for a couple days. But you need to clean your air filter in some type of solvent. If it's oily, you need something that removes oil. Varsol works great. Gas works in a pinch. Mineral spirits. There's sprays and crap too, but that's expensive. Just get yourself a bucket of Varsol, stick your filter in it, wring it out a couple times. Soapy water gets the dirt out of it really nice. Let it dry. Re-oil the air filter. Let's have a look at air filter oil. I will go on a whim and say this is the best air filter oil you could ever run. It's the tackiest, stickiest crap, and it doesn't go dry. Aerosols work great too, but they don't last as long. The propellant in the aerosol breaks down the oil, so it works, but over time I've seen them dry out. So if you're doing them all the time, it's not a big deal. A lot of people don't have problems with aerosols, but this is the OG shit. Okay? And if you're in a pinch, put gear oil in it, put engine oil in it, put oil in it. Won't last long, but it'll still work. So oil your air filter, or go no toil. It works great too, but you got to have all the stuff. And I don't do no toil. If you do, that's cool. I don't. It does work. It's a pain when it comes into my shop and I have to clean them. But just oil your air filters. It takes like a teaspoon of oil to wreck a dirt bike engine of oil. It takes a teaspoon of dirt to wreck a dirt bike engine. Like it takes no dirt, and we run them in the dirtiest places possible. So we're talking dirt bikes, ATVs, side-by-sides are brutal because nobody maintains those things. If you ride in the dirt or in dusty, harsh environments, you're doing your air filter all the time. Put your air filter in correctly, oil it correctly, and we'll save people a lot of trouble. Like this, it wrecks engines. And we still don't do it. Brand new dirt bikes, 450s, are $15,000 Canadian. That's like $500 American, whatever it is. They're crazy expensive these days. Air filter maintenance is crazy cheap, and we still can't do it. So hopefully this video will inspire you to go do your air filter. Because like this guy, let me get a light. This guy's engine is not great. Can I get in here? Can I see? Look at the dirt. That side never looks as bad because their fuel washes the dirt into the engine. Let's look at the throttle body. Let's just see what she's been eating. Carburetors are great at hiding dirt also because there's always fuel flying around and it washes the dirt away. But look at the back side. This is the injector side. It doesn't look as bad because there's fuel cleaning everything. But this side, look at the grime. So 3 out of the 4 bikes in my garage have dirt around their air filter. 75% of bikes. Is that the statistic for the, North America or the world? I don't know. That one's a snow bike, actually. It just has a tire in the front, so it actually is clean, thankfully. And it has an oiled air filter, which isn't great in the snow, but that's another story. So hopefully this video finds you, and maybe you've neglected it. Maybe you're like, man, maybe I didn't put my air filter in correctly, because that's a big deal too. You've got to get it in there and get it sealed. You don't need grease in the lip. It helps sometimes. A little bit of oil, you're good to go. So please, for the sake of all us in the off-road environment and industry, please check your air filter and oil it and clean it and oil it and clean it and keep your bike running a way longer time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.